as an experiment, I created a brand new campaign to try and beat a CPA of around $800 that a different media buyer was getting. And so I will walk you through exactly what I did in each one of these videos. Today, here is how I set it up. So we only had a few days left in order to get sales, and that informed how I was going to set things up. So I used campaign budget optimization instead of Advantage Plus shopping campaign because I wanted something that was going to work as quickly as possible. So it's controlled at the campaign level. And I also went with Advantage Plus audience and Advantage Plus placement. So I chose the location, but I chose Advantage Plus audience, and placements allow Facebook to choose whatever it wants to choose. I know that in Advantage Plus audience, it is going to include the warm audience, and I'm fine with that because all I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to get as many sales as quickly as possible. So I'll take them however they come. The other thing I did was, because I'm using campaign budget optimization, I only want to have approximately 5 ads in each ad set. So here I've got 6 of them in here, and each ones I have 5. So whenever I wanted to add more creative, I added them as a group by duplicating the ad set. So I hope that you found this helpful, and talk to you in the next video.